Dancer Zodwa Wabantu upgrades her smile. Media personality and dancer Zodwa Wabantu is on a journey to upgrade her smile. And she's inviting school kids to join her. This comes after she was recently spotted with braces. Speaking to Daily Sun, Zodwa said she'll put in 5 dental implants to improve her smile. I've always shared my story, that I grew up poor and people insulted me, quote, she said. Part of the problem was my teeth. I was born with a gap, and was never really comfortable with it. It got worse when my peers at school made fun of it. This affected my confidence and I avoided large groups. But now Zodwa can afford it, and is fixing her smile. I'm already wearing braces to straighten my teeth. I'm going to put 5 dental implants. This means they will remove the unwanted teeth, and put a new set of permanent teeth. I started this procedure 2 months ago, and it's going to take up to a year to finish. Quote. Yeah.